Hi, I'm Nish, part of Eclat R&D team. Eclat is a multinational material and garment company based in Taipei. We design, engineer, and manufacture athletic materials and garment solutions for some of the world's progressive brands for 45 years. Our purpose is to innovate for champions of athletic culture and lifestyle. Here is a short video about us.
Before the darkness falls, there's a challenge you and I must take on. But time is short. Will it be our friend or obstacle?
We have so much to discuss, because sometimes when others hear absurdity, we sense possibilities. Where others see stubbornness, we feel determination. If our correspondence measure in depth, we might spot an opportunity among the risks.
The only thing certain is that at every critical turn, there is a chance of inspiration for us to create something new.
Time has provided us with much experience and discipline. It's our longest ally. But like I said, we don't have much time. Today, we're gonna have to fight it.
Whether your idea is solid or imagined, minimal or complex, small or large.
We'll make precision manufacturing out of casual imaginations. But before the night falls, we must find your brilliance.
Our most recent material innovations are soft form, private zero, aerial jack, cross jack, and graphworks. The first one is soft form. Synthetic materials are known to be durable and adaptable. However, most of them can have a plastic and unnatural feel to them, depending on the yarn, structure, and so on. With our latest innovation, soft form, we redefine the softness of synthetic material with a better and natural hand feel. The process of making it is equally impressive. It's lean and makes use of less energy. Soft form is a high-performance material. The foundational technology of the material is comfortable, but offers many use cases, such as shown here, can be suitable for cold weather with insulation and moisture wicking. The technology gives designers the flexibility to customize. In this example, the dotted heather and solid yarn blend gives a subtle appearance, perfect for in and outdoors. The material's back texture gives a greater moisture control, and while maintaining its overall softness. In the last soft form example, we combined a heather yarn with a wavy structure to further improve airflow and dry times to stay fresher, but the material remains comfortable in either a wet or dry state. Soft form has a natural hand feel. It's season-independent and configurable to needs. Private Zero is our latest innovation that delivers a longer lasting stretch without spandex. The demand for garment recycling and sustainable materials continues to increase to reduce carbon footprints and waste, and spandex remains a challenge when it comes to recycling. Private Zero contains zero spandex with four-way stretch capabilities. The Private Zero technology uses flexure yarn and knitting structures. It has excellent airflow with a longer lasting stretch, ideal for a mid-layer or a base layer. The raised back structure in this example increases the material moisture wicking. In this second example, we developed a rib structure with a skin-friendly backside using the Private Zero technology by blending heather and solid yarn to create an ideal look for tank tops and crops. And lastly, in this example, we push the material's structural capabilities even further to create a heavier look, with a lighter backside for faster moisture wicking and enhanced breathability. perfect for base layers or polo shirts and casual styles. My colleague Yoyu will talk about aerial jack, cross jack, and graphics next.
Hi, I'm Yoyu, part of Eclat R&D team. Let me introduce you what aerial jack is. Aerial jack is single mesh jacquard, and the inner yarn carries moisture from the skin onto the outer yarn, and it propels into fibers. So aerial jack is airy, quick dry, and has amazing moisture control function. And today I brought some samples to show you. The first one, this uses the softness yarn, so it has a warm and fuzzy hand feel, unlike synthetic yarn normally being used on a sporty look. This one is good for casual and day-to-day wear. The next one, this one uses tri-lobe bright yarn, so it has optical reflecting properties. So when it reflects the light, it looks shimmering like this, see? And also the body is light and dripping, so it's really good for elegant fashion items. The third one, you can see it's not solid color. The dark part gradually turns to bright, and the heather yarn blends in, so it makes the color changing more dynamic. But not only the colors and yarns plays the part, we also design the patterns based on body mapping and its need. So we literally build the function into the fabric. Next is our cross-jack series. Cross-jack has both double and single knitting structure on the same surface, and its up and down texture creates a really unique 3D touch and look. With this feature, we can design the pattern not just for its look, but also make it functional. The following 3 samples are all leopard patterns with different design structures. This one is using color matching and contrast of scale to design a pattern. Look close, you can see a tiny leopard patterns on it, but from a distance, the broken pieces form a bigger leopard patterns on it. This one uses only 2 colors, but with the 12 patterns, the shapes look overlapping. And also the other feature of cross-jack is that according to the structure, some patterns can be visible on the back side, and it can be used on a low-key design. This one breaks leopard patterns in pieces and divided into 2 colors, and also feel great in blank areas. And with the 3D texture, the color and pattern will shifting while the body is in motion. The final one is our Gravework series. In Eclat, we have a textile design team that has strong knowledge in knitting and design. So we are able to support international designers from sketch all the way to fabrics. And these are some of our designers' work. With fine gauge jacquard machine, we can produce lightweight jacquard fabrics, like this one. And the other one looks similar, but this one uses the laminating technique to make it both water and windproof, and which is good for outdoor items. So besides plain color technical jacket, with graphic work, we can add some flavor to the style. We also have double jacquard fabric, and it's reversible. The positive and negative side offers more options for apparel design. Also, adding spandex, it can provide additional stretch and recovery for the fabric, and it's good for yoga clothing. Last but not least, we keep challenging the possibility of single jacquard fabric. Instead of flat fabric, we create a 3D texture on a single jacquard fabric and make it look differently in different angles. Like this one, it's a Moira patterns. So you can see the color and pattern shifting. This is everything from our latest collection. Please get in touch.